How do I import citations into Mendeley? If you are looking to streamline your research process, understanding how to import citations into Mendeley is essential. This tool is designed to help students manage references effectively. Let's break down the steps to make this process easy and efficient. First, Mendeley offers a feature called the Mendeley Web Importer. This is a browser extension that works with most web browsers. Once you install it, you can easily import citations from websites and databases like PubMed and Google Scholar. Just visit the page with the citation you need, click the Mendeley Web Importer icon, and select the citation to save it directly to your Mendeley library. Next, if you have citations saved in files, you can import them directly into Mendeley. Common file formats include RIS, BibTeX, and EndNote. To do this, open Mendeley, click on the Add New button and select File, S from Computer. Then find the file you want to import and select it. This method is quick and helps you keep your references organized. If you do not have a file or access to a database, you can always enter citation details manually. Click on Add New and choose Add Entry Manually. You will need to fill in important fields such as author, title, and publication date. This option is handy when you have a specific source in mind but cannot find it online. Another method involves using identifiers like Digital Object Identifier or PubMed Identifier. If you have either of these, you can search for them in Mendeley, and it will automatically fill in the citation fields for you. This saves time and ensures accuracy. Mendeley also allows you to import citations from PDF files. Simply drag and drop the PDF into Mendeley, and it will attempt to extract the citation details for you. This is especially useful for academic articles and research papers. Using Mendeley to manage your citations can significantly improve your productivity as a student. You can keep all your references in one place, making it easier to find and use them when writing. Plus, Mendeley ensures that your citations are consistently formatted, which is essential for academic writing. Additionally, Mendeley supports collaboration. You can share your library with classmates or access shared libraries for group projects. This feature can make working together on research much simpler. By mastering these methods, you will be able to organize your research effectively and focus more on your writing and studying. Importing citations into Mendeley is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your academic experience.